Chandler Kitchen and Bath Remodeling. Excited to do a kitchen and bathroom renovation? Chandler homeowners are ecstatically placing their trust in us to transform their living spaces into captivating havens, perfect for creating unforgettable moments with loved ones. Our dedication to your satisfaction is unwavering, and our team is committed to crafting a dream home for you and your family to cherish for years to come. Your heart will swell with pride as you welcome friends into your lovingly designed space. Is your kitchen and bathroom outdated? Are you eager to revamp and enhance the practicality and elegance of your kitchen and bathroom? The journey to your dream kitchen and bath remodel in Chandler begins here. Schedule your complimentary phone consultation for an engaging chat with our remodeling expert, who is excited to hear about your vision for a stunning bathroom and kitchen. With a compassionate ear and expert insights, we'll address your questions, offer invaluable suggestions, and provide a rough cost estimate tailored to your desires. Why wait? The path to a breathtaking transformation is just a phone call away, promising both convenience and speed. Kitchen and bathroom designers. You want to partner with a distinguished Chandler kitchen and bath designer that will help with all aspects of the layout and design. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, we extend our design expertise to Chandler homeowners, helping them to conceive and craft their ultimate dream spaces. Throughout this exhilarating journey, we'll maintain open communication, ensuring your involvement in every decision, and guaranteeing a final result that leaves you enamored with your kitchen. If you're eager to launch your bathroom and kitchen remodel, don't wait, reach out to us today. Best Kitchen Bath Remodeling Contractors in Chandler, Arizona. Embarking on a kitchen and bathroom makeover can be a thrilling yet daunting adventure, with a myriad of decisions to make and countless possibilities to explore. That's precisely why we provide complimentary design consultations, where we'll sit side by side with you to decipher your deepest desires and necessities for your brand new, show-stopping space. Choosing our exceptional Chandler Design Build Remodel company will provide an unparalleled experience, resulting in the finest kitchen and bath renovations Chandler, Arizona has to offer. Thank you for watching this video. Our team at Phoenix Home Remodeling will take great care of you and your home. If you are interested in remodeling, our telephone number is 602-492-8205. You can also visit us online at phxhomeremodeling.com.